Over the last 10 years we've been working with a customer in Norway, and we applied the best practices around control rooms, and they went basically from 18 people doing control to 7 people doing control in a centralized control room, which is unusual for a pulp and paper type industry, although they are a biorefinery. And what we did was we applied the best practices in all the different areas of the control room, from alarms to HMI to the design of control room, design of large screen displays, how large screen displays are actually delivered to the operator, and the control room work went extremely well. However, the customer came back to us and said now they've actually brought people out as dedicated control operators. They feel as though there's a little bit of a breakdown between the field operations and the control room. And then basically they said also they think there's a problem between the field operations and the maintenance personnel. And do we have some techniques to do that? Well, we obviously had done a lot of studying on conductive operations and operator discipline. And what is that? Basically, it's sort of how you do PSM properly and basically make sure it's working really well. And not just PSM, but other areas from ergonomics, human factors, etc. We put together our best practice lists, and we went and applied that, and we went and resolved a lot of the issues between the breakdowns in communications between maintenance and the field operations, and the field operations and control room operations. Since we've done that, another customer came back and said, we heard about this work, it sounds very good. We want it specifically for the control room, so what we've done is we've put together a comprehensive, if you like, CRM type program, control room management program, that looks at all the best practices from shift handover to the design of the control room, design of the HMI, the alarms, and the shift, and basically shift logs and everything else. And so basically what we've done is we've completed that, and we now have conductive operations for both control room and field.